What if the most powerful medicines aren't made in labs, but grown in the garden? Let's discover the most healing superfoods God created. Number 1. Calendula. Often referred to as Mary's gold, calendula belongs to the family of flowers of the field used to illustrate God's care for creation. In the ancient Levant, bright solar-colored blooms were functional symbols of restoration. Biologically, calendula is a powerhouse of triterpenoids and flavonoids that function as a molecular scaffold for skin and mucosal repair. These compounds stimulate the production of glycoproteins and collagen, effectively accelerating the body's natural knitwork. For a maturing body, the high concentrations of lutein and beta-carotene in the petals provide a powerful defense against macular degeneration and oxidative stress. At the cellular level, calendula inhibits the enzymes that break down the dermal matrix, ensuring that the structure of our physical body remains resilient. It's a floral manifestation of the balm of Gilead, providing a formidable barrier against infection. The golden petals offer outward restoration, yet yarrow stands ready as the ultimate guardian of the lifeblood. Number 2. Yarrow. Known in ancient botany as the military herb, yarrow is associated with the wounds of battle. In the biblical context, where life is in the blood, Leviticus 17:11, yarrow acts as a divine regulator of this sacred fluid. The healing power of yarrow lies in its unique alkaloid, achillane, which possesses the rare ability to act as a hemostatic, stopping active bleeding while simultaneously functioning as an anticoagulant to prevent dangerous clots. This dual-action mechanism is a biological marvel. It knows how to balance the blood's viscosity. For cardiovascular longevity, yarrow's volatile oils and tannins work to tone peripheral blood vessels, reducing the strain on the heart. Stimulating a mild diaphoresis, it helps the body release latent toxins, mimicking biblical rituals of purification. It ensures the river of life within us flows without obstruction. Yarrow guards the blood's flow, while white horehound cleanses the breath of life. Number 3. White horehound. White horehound is considered one of the original bitter herbs commanded for the Passover. While the bitterness served as a theological reminder of slavery, it served a massive biological purpose for those on a grueling desert trek. The active principle, maropion, is a diterpene that acts as a potent expectorant and digestive catalyst. When consumed, maropion triggers a reflex in the vagus nerve, stimulating gastric juices and thinning respiratory mucus. For those struggling with the congestion of life, horehound acts as a biological cleanser for the lungs, ensuring the ruach, breath, can move freely. It's also remarkably effective at stabilizing cardiac arrhythmias, calming the heart during physical or emotional stress. This plant proves that the most difficult flavors in God's garden are often the most essential for maintaining internal clarity. Horehound clears the internal path, yet sea buckthorn thrives in harsh thorns to offer total vitality. Number 4. Sea buckthorn. Though the Bible warns of thorns and thistles, it also highlights God's ability to bring life out of the desert. Sea buckthorn is the embodiment of this promise, a resilient shrub producing berries often called liquid gold. Sea buckthorn is unique for containing the entire profile of omega fatty acids, 3, 6, 9, and the incredibly rare omega-7. At the molecular level, omega-7 is a critical signaling molecule that regulates fat metabolism and restores the integrity of mucous membranes. This means systemic hydration from the inside out, protecting the heart lining, the digestive tract, and the eyes. The berry also contains 12 times more vitamin C than an orange, providing a massive surge of antioxidants that shield our DNA from oxidative damage. It's a biological testament to endurance, proving God provided superfoods capable of sustaining peak vitality. The resilient thorn provides systemic fat, but agrimony offers the gentle purity of a filtered life. Number 5. Agrimony. Known as church steeples for its tall yellow spikes, agrimony has been used since biblical times for deep purification. It reflects the scriptural need for the liver and kidneys, the body's filters, to remain unblemished. Biologically, agrimony is rich in silica and specific tannins that exert a toning effect on the gallbladder and liver. It stimulates bile production, essential for the breakdown of fats and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Agrimony acts as a biological stabilizer for the urinary system, ensuring living waters are processed with efficiency. Its high concentration of ursolic acid also provides a potent anti-inflammatory effect, particularly in the joints. It's a quiet plant that does the heavy lifting of internal maintenance, ensuring impurities don't linger within the sacred walls of the body. Agrimony filters internal fluids, while the toothache plant provides a sharp mercy for the senses. Number 6. Toothache plant. While not explicitly named, the toothache plant represents the bitter and numbing plants used by ancient healers to provide relief during trials. God's provision of pain-relieving flora is a profound sign of His mercy. The secret is a molecule called spilenthol. When it touches the tongue, it triggers a unique electric tingling sensation, a result of localized vasodilation and nerve activation. Spilenthol acts as a natural analgesic, distracting pain receptors to provide immediate relief for oral distress. Beyond the mouth, it's a powerful immune modulator. It stimulates white blood cell production to fight invading pathogens. For an immune system that may be slowing down, it acts as a biological wake-up call, sparking a rapid response to infection. It's a sharp reminder that God provided remedies for even acute physical suffering. The electric daisy awakens the nerves, but elecampane provides the deep, expansive breath of the spirit. Number 7. Elecampane. In the biblical landscape, elecampane is the herb of the expanded chest, used to treat the shortness of breath that often accompanied heavy ancient labor. Biologically, elecampane is one of the world's richest sources of inulin, a prebiotic fiber essential for a healthy microbiome. It also has allantollactone, a powerful antispasmodic for the lungs. It acts as a biological expander, relaxing bronchial tubes for maximum oxygen exchange. This increase in oxygenation is vital for maintaining cognitive clarity and preventing fatigue. Furthermore, its antimicrobial properties target stagnant fluid in the lungs, preventing serious respiratory issues. It's the plant of the deep breath, ensuring the body can fully receive the life-giving oxygen that sustains every cellular process from the brain to the toes. Elecampane opens the lungs, while comfrey provides the structural steel for the skeletal temple. Number 8. Comfrey. Comfrey has earned the nickname Knitbone, reflecting the biblical theme of God as the one who heals the brokenhearted and binds their wounds. Psalm 147:3. It's the herbal structural architect. The primary healing agent is allantoin, a cell proliferation that triggers the rapid division of cells in connective tissue and bone. When applied to a strain, allantoin signals the body to accelerate the formation of a biological bridge across the damaged area. For an aging skeletal system, comfrey serves as rebar, reinforcing the collagen matrix that keeps joints supple and bones resilient. While it must be used with wisdom, its ability to physically knit the body back together is a profound biological echo of the covenantal promise of restoration. Comfrey reinforces the bones, but berberine acts as the master regulator of the inner fire. Number 9. Berberine. Derived from bitter roots, berberine is a golden alkaloid used for millennia to treat fevers of the blood. In the Bible, bitterness is often the precursor to cleansing. Berberine is unique because it activates an enzyme called AMPK, often described as the metabolic master switch. This enzyme tells cells to stop storing fat and start burning it for energy. For anyone managing metabolic health, berberine acts as a molecular regulator, improving insulin sensitivity and lowering glucose production. By cleaning up the blood and optimizing fuel use, berberine ensures the metabolic fire burns cleanly, without the toxic buildup of excess sugars. It's the golden key to metabolic longevity. From golden blooms to deep roots, these plants are living testaments to divine care. May these healing superfoods nourish your physical temple and spiritual journey. What is an everyday food you consume that is God-given, and what for? Let us know in the comments section down below, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.